That backup camera is deceptive. It'll make it look like it's crashing right into the back of your rig, but it's not.
What is that noise?
For the day I break these chains, I'm bound for the life of the simple things.
Maybe we ought to look though. It looks
Pull over to the side and take a look.
Yeah, I go and run there.
I'll pull right here.
Yeah, because like from this,
I need to get that Roadmaster at quiet hitch, I'm sure.
here, I cannot see the car.
Oh, I can. Okay, then if you want to go and check just to make sure. Actually, I should too. Come to think of it.
Wow, Jesus, man, he's drunk.
The bang doesn't sound like the bang man anything.
I wonder if it's the blue ramp just lifting up and down.
Just a tad bit.
Because that ramp's loose on the back. That's how you get up and down.
Yeah.
So if it...
It might wobble a little.
Right.
Gonna make you hold your beer.
Man, that stairs are quiet.
They are. I have to put a little noise in them.
That's pretty comfy. Yeah.
Seems to be good.
The car is there.
It's actually not wiggling as much as I thought it would either.
Yeah, you won't see anything until you hit 60, 65, 55, 65, and then the wind could kick it around a little. That's just normal. That's going to happen.
See how it breaks. Let's go get some fuel real quick.
Beer? You don't have anything?
Well, I mean, I have just under a quarter tank.
Yeah, but we can do like when we're not towing the car.
Well, I need to practice doing this too.
Yeah, this one is good. Need to practice putting the gas.
I guess I don't need to turn that wide. That car is a lot closer than it feels.
Yeah. This is why I always go to the big rig places.
Yeah.
Because the one thing about that tow is you can't back up.
Yeah.
Well, I guess, yeah, you can't. Not with the car on it.
Crazy, man. Crazy. It's not that bad.
Yeah, something wiggles when after.
Just make sure you clear that post. Yeah, it's looking good.
And now we're longer.
Oh,
I think I know what's wrong.
what's what?
That's from the ground.
No.
No?
Alright, so
What do you think's
let's
doing
stop this. So it looked like the car was pivoting. Like the whole car was pivoting.
that? Oh, and then sliding back, or okay.
So like those front tires might be going up and back and rotating. It looked like the car was
Like
that way and the dolly was still this way.
Really?
okay.
didn't see. I think because when we stepped on those things on the ground here, don't you think that was the?
Well, that could be, but they don't have those in the park. That's where we heard it.
Oh, and then over there you heard as well.
Got on the wrong side anyways.
Oh, that's the other side.
All right, well.
How you're gonna do
this
it?
side. So I think this is big enough to turn around for the. And I can't back up, so we don't have the board, so we're not taking the car off. We'll have to go down to the fuel stop there on that highway. Doing okay, huh? So what are you thinking?
I just want to see how much that car pivots. Golly. See that? Does that look like it's pivoting?
It does look like it.
Or is it just a wide angle distortion effect?
Might just be a wide angle distortion effect.
Yeah, I think it's not happening anything different.
And then up here, this way?
No, I'm sorry, the next light, yeah.
Straight through, right?
Yes.
Now the engine doesn't sound any different totally.
Yeah, the same as
Yeah,
anything.
This engine will have no problem with that. You'd have to have a Hummer or something like that on the back to even notice.
Yeah, like this 460, it starts going the same way.
There's the Prevost. That was
Yeah, behind
everywhere
us
else.
there, right? Yeah.
Apparently, we weren't fancy enough for them to stay around with us.
no. I feel bad because they have one more day to sell that poor thing,
Yeah, and then they got to drive it back to Houston.
and this is not the place to be selling a $550,000 2006 used RV.
Yeah, I don't think.
People come here looking for the $15,000, $20,000 bargain.
Or they want it new.
Yeah. If they have a $500,000 to drop, they're gonna get an Integra or something.
It's easier in Los Angeles, I believe, in California or something.
I'm not noticing any big deal back there. I'm not going 60 yet.
So far, so good.
It's so nice to see the car, right?
Yeah. So you know it's still back there?
Yeah. I'm gonna hire you. I mean, you're hired. You need to
Alright.
travel with us, though.
It'll work for beer. So slowing down.
Mark, your brother's being a big help over here.
Hi there first.
Don't you wish you could be here? You should be here. And this is where we would take a.
That's where I was supposed to turn?
Yeah, but that's okay. If you keep going, the pilot is up the road to your left. Oh, this guy's he's gonna let you go.
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy.
All right. And the whole way
Have this
Yep.
side.
Yeah.
Good.
I think it's about 3/4 of the way down, but I can't remember exactly. So you're gonna have to check real quick for me.
Okay, now it should. Oh, should have went. Ah, that felt good. I actually need a bigger pair than what we got here. Yeah, just stick it back through. Pull it up. Once you get it down so far, you can get it straight, and then it should. It's just got to come a little further. This has to be some more. See that? There it goes. So now, when you tilt that up like that, see how that unwinds?
Yeah.
Okay. The problem is you can't get it that high up when with this car. So. Maybe just slide this out once you get it down past there.
Okay.
All right, and then you're good to go there. That's the big secret. All these old guys.
Show the crack. Let's show the crack.
Sorry, baby.
We all
Welcome to tool time.
Can I see the?
Are you doing the pin?
Yeah. Can I see the pliers that pins?
I think the pliers are laying on the ground down there, aren't they?
Kind of pin.
At least a pin.
It's just
There.
But it did tow pretty nice, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a good thing.
It was like it wasn't there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Other than the time we heard the pop, and that was probably the
Oh, when you first turned?
the slack. Yeah. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Yeah, I heard it. We heard it over here. I thought
I heard it a couple of times. Now,
I think it might have been the this
moving.
the ratchet.
the link. Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
They creaking down a bit, no matter what.
Get out there, connect with people, live your big story.
Make sure you do something every single day to reduce world suck.
Peace, guys.
Peace and love.
Without you, my friend, and I tell you all about it when I see you again. We come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you.